Eva, and I'm here to teach you about flag folding. I'm here with my volunteers, voluntold, Hayden and Mia, and they're going to be demonstrating. Of course, the number one thing with an American flag, and this is a big one, is to never let it touch the ground, and at all times to show respect and dignity. So the first thing that Hayden and Mia are going to do is a hot dog fold. Hot dog fold. They're going to turn it the other way because on our next hot dog fold, they're going to make sure that the blue is on both sides. So there you go. Flip it over. You wouldn't have to do this step. Okay, hot dog fold again. And notice at this point, we have blue on the top and blue on the bottom. To fold the flag correctly, you're going to do that. Okay, Mia's going to start a football, or it's a triangle fold, but if you've ever folded a paper football, it's a lot like that. So notice she's going in a triangle. Now, if we were to do this perfectly, we would have 13 folds in honor of the 13 original colonies. Also, and you can look at this online, each fold there's a meaning for it, and sometimes when people fold the flag, they recite the meanings of each fold. It can be for certain people, for our love of country, our faith, all kinds of things like that. Mia's doing a great job. She's getting it nice and tight, and it's going to be a great looking triangle when she's done. Now when you're doing this with your Girl Scout troop or your Girl Scout group off of a flag, you can have lots of people holding the flag. We're going to tuck that white end that has the grommet holes. We're going to tuck it in like so. And Mia and Hayden did a great job. We're going to kind of officially dress it here. And when a flag is perfectly folded, there's no red showing. And that's what this one is. Notice it is a triangle in honor of the troops that fought for George Washington when he was their general, the same shape as their three-cornered hats. So thank you for joining our flag folding video. Hope you have a great day. Thank you, Mia and Hayden.